Arrival. I am told by my English teacher friends that this causes constant trouble, and so it's something that they like to look out for, just to be mean. Now, you know I'm no speller, so I have to come up with little stories. Stories I can remember. Spelling, not a hope. So, Val arrived to meet her rival with two axes, two A's, and two rapiers. That's those long, thin sort of swords. Did that make any sense at all? Should we do some green just to check? So it's A-R-R-I-V-A-L. Val. I'm fed up with all this scribble. I haven't worked out how to have a pointy thing that points for you when I need a pointy thing. There's no point in trying to get rid of this, is it? It's just going to take forever. So, arrival. Think of here we are. This rival is your opponent. So, Val arrived to meet her rival with two axes. There's one axe, there's the other axe, and two rapiers. Might work for you, might not. Find which way works for you and see if you can learn it. I'm still improving my spelling. It's got a long way to go. See you soon.